So I just picked up this Philips Hue light bulb. This one is a 75 watt. Let's go ahead and install this and I'll give you guys my honest review. So for this next part, what you're going to want to do is actually make sure that you have the app as well as a Hue Bridge. That's what's going to make it change colors. But besides that, you're going to want to search for the light. Once it comes up, you're going to just select that light. You can also use a serial number that's on the light bulb itself to pull it up. After that point, you're going to just name your light if you want to. Then you could select what kind of light it is. The one I have right here is actually a floor lamp. After that, you can name it, set it to what kind of room it's in. For me, it's the bedroom. And then from there, it should give you the control center to actually change the color of your lights. So here's a different color. You guys just saw orange, and now here's a purple. Next, we have the green, as you guys can see. And then the last color I'll be showing is this hot pink kind of color. So now for my actual impression on this. It's actually really good. For the price, I think that it provides a lot. It is super easy to work around the app. Very easy to actually set up and customize the lights as well. And the colors and the quality of it is actually really good. So yeah, that just about wraps up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.